हेलो एवरीवन गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ यू आर ऑल फिट एंड फाइन। सो गाइस, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल संडे मॉर्निंग। पर इस वीक की शुरुआत हम ना कर रहे हैं जिम से, ना किसी बाइक राइड से। टुडे इज गोना बी completely different from my usual routine, and honestly I am genuinely excited for this experience because मुझे खुद नहीं पता कि what I should be expecting from this. I've heard people talk about this a lot, how calming, how powerful, and how different it feels. But today I finally get to experience it. It could be super peaceful, it could be super awkward, or it would change completely how I look at it. So guys, I'm here to attend a workshop at Core Club in Juhu, where we'll be trying yoga, meditation, sound healing, and even mandala art. Usually my vlogs are all about training, fitness, and constant movement. But today is going to be more about slowing down, experiencing something new, and seeing what this whole vibe actually feels like. So let's get inside and see how this goes.
Please ensure that you keep your phones on silent in a way so that you can give this your 100%.
And through today's experience, we just want to give you that time to look inwards, to see how you're really feeling on the
Hi, good morning. I am Suresh. I am looking for whatever Simran has said about mindfulness. But I'm also looking forward to seeing what she's coming up with new.
amazing time.
Hello, my name is Satyanjay. Being into fitness, I am more looking forward towards doing yoga and mindfulness.
Amazing. Thank you, Satyanjay. Thank you for being here.
So, happy Mother's Day to everyone. And please enjoy your time.
Bhaskaraya Namaha. Alright, breathe in. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Down into a low squat. If this is challenging, it's just a reminder of where we need to go in general. Okay, so come down. Yes, Jagan, you're doing well. Come down. 4, 5, and 6. Sit down on your buttocks.
Simran's voice as she leads you through the next segment. And gently exhale. Take another deep breath in, releasing any tension or stress. What all makes us happy? Is it one particular thing? Is it just our relationships? What is success for you? What parameter is it? Visualize yourself living that version. Physical fitness is the thing that takes a hit when other things come up. When social commitments come up, when work comes up. This version of yourself.
Harsh, hi, my name is Satyanjay. I've been admiring your work since I saw your Pure Bicep podcast in 2021. And I had pinged you something on Instagram. You might not remember that.
I'm very
No
bad
problem.
with social media. Everybody saw your TRS. Everybody saw your podcast on TRS YouTube channel, quite inspiring. And for me, I find it more in the time stamps of your journey are similar to mine. Hope we meet someday.
I heard about your injuries and how you did the rehab, and then how you developed yourself into a warrior.
Yeah.
Similar to mine, I was not good at my health. Our pathways were different. I went into gymming, fitness, and all of that. I'm a fitness coach right now. I handle clients with medical conditions. So, but the way we express our own passions,
Yeah.
I feel that that's how it is.
So glad to meet you. Yeah. Really
Nice. Same.
And the whole point was to share with everyone, give everybody that experience. Different coaches, Shaolin is just the one aspect. Right?
Yes.
Yoga, sound healing, art therapy. So we
Yes.
have like a holistic set of good
Yeah.
specialists who are there.
Yes.
Like you've done so much of work. So
Everything. So
what more, or if you can tell me what more helps?
I am specializing into handling clients, athletes for strength and conditioning, and clients with medical conditions. So be it in terms of weight training, be it in terms of nutrition, how you
We are
handle it.
doing a small functional gym setup over here.
Oh, nice.
So it'll be nice.
So guys, all those who have been following me for a while already know about my 74-year-old client, whom I have been training for more than 5 months. And honestly, this journey has been incredible to witness. And you guys have already seen some of his milestones, from holding planks to learning deadlifts to finally doing squat lunges efficiently. But today we have unlocked one more big win in his fitness journey. Forward. हाँ, ट्रेलिंग लेग का हील उठाना है, नीचे जाना है, डोंट सिट फॉरवर्ड. हाँ, सिट बैक. गुड. सामने देखो. हाँ, with all the confidence, go down and straight up. Very nice. 7. Last 3 reps. What's your heart rate now? 104. Walking lunges at 74. Can you believe this? And this is exactly why I always say the name of the game is consistency. Not shortcuts, not perfections, just showing up again and again. Peace out. 3. One more. Very nice. 1, 2. Last 12 reps. 3, 4. क्योंकि ये जो लोड है ना, दिस शुड बी आपके सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी से मैच होना चाहिए. नाउ व्हेन यू वांट टू कम अप, इफ यू रेज योर हिप्स, यू सी द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी अगेन मिसेस. ठीक है, तो ये आपके लोअर बैक पे आएगा. सेकेंड थिंग, ये हो जाता है, विच मीन्स योर ग्लूट्स आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सर्ट as much force as they can. इसको बाहर की तरफ रखो. ठीक है, the more you keep this out, the more glutes will be engaged. ठीक है, the more glutes will be engaged, the more weights you will be able to push it. आ जाओ, चलो, come on. Knees out, chest up. Very nice. 3. Repeat. One leg, other leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Good. Planks, tall planks. 5 each. हाँ तो 50 हो जाएगा. Let's try. Alternate grip पकड़ो, that will be more easy. Alternate, ऐसे करो. हाँ, and hold it very tight. Yes, and lift. Easy. 1, 2. Bar will be closer to your body. Last rep. That's it. Last 3. Push it straight up. Pair flat. Don't move your. बस. हाँ, बात है. 50 kg deadlift, उधर 30 kg chest press, ये full stack. So that's it for this one, guys. अगर आपने vlog यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends if you find it valuable. But until then, be the best version of yourself and inspire others to become the best version of themselves. See you in the next one.